In this video, how to use Wise app to pay a business invoice. I will show you step by step how to pay a business invoice using the Wise app on your phone. First, open the Wise app on your mobile phone. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the home screen of the app. Now tap the option called Send. Enter the amount shown on the business invoice. Make sure the amount is correct before continuing. Now, select the currency listed on the invoice. Enter the name of the business receiving the payment. Choose the option to send money to a business. Now, enter the business bank details. Type the account number or IBAN provided on the invoice. Enter the bank name if requested. Add the payment reference from the invoice. This reference helps the business identify the payment. Review all the information entered. Check that the amount and details are correct. Now tap Continue to proceed. The app will show the transfer fees. Confirm the available payment method. After that, tap Send to complete the payment. The payment will be processed through Wise.